When CCI is used in this way, the success rate can reach 100%. Do you want to learn? Don't feel incredible. Once master this special skill, realizing the huge profits in short time will no longer a dream. Recently, when I talked with a private institutional trader, he told me that he had successfully captured 3 bull stocks with this method. Each time, the profit was more than doubled within half a year. Today, I will share with you this unique skill of CCI, which is used by the private institutional investor. I hope you can also successfully catch the bull stocks after learning today's lesson. Hello everyone, I'm Lisa. Subscribe my channel and follow me to learn the technical trading skills from now on. Here we go. Some of you maybe used the CCI before. There are 3 lines. They are -100 line, 0 line, and the 100 line, also known as skyline, middle line, and the ground line. This 3 line is the trading line which used to check buy and sell points. The method I'm going to share with you today is that when the red line upward breakouts, the yellow line is the buy points. But the parameter of CCI is not the default one. It's institutional specific. Let's see the difference. For example, this counter was sideways for quite a long time at the bottom area, then finally broke out and went to the sharply rising period. Within 26 weeks, this counter up more than 11,000%. Then how can we buy it at the starting point and hold the counters until now? Then we can put CCI together to check. This is the default parameter. You will find that if you follow CCI to buy, the first 4 times all failed. If you follow it to buy in, you will get stuck or lose money. Only the 5th time is the right buy point. But the question is that after the previous 4 times failure, will you still believe it when the 5th opportunity comes? But if we change the parameter of CCI, there is only 1 buy point. It's over here. There is no signals for us when price still in the bottom sideways period. Only here, this buy point once appeared, price went up to the real pull up period and can hold until now according to CCI. One more example, according to the application of CCI, when the red trading line upward breakout the yellow line, which means price will go to the acceleration period. But we can see if we use the default parameter of CCI, the first 3 times all failed. If we buy according to this method, then we will lose or get stuck. Only the last time is the correct buy point. But if you already failed 3 times by using one method, I don't think you will still follow it to operate. Am I right? But if we change the parameter of CCI, we can see there is only 1 buy point over here, which is the correct buy point. Once we buy in, the price flight. Okay, last example for review. Using the method we learned today, buy when red trading line, upward breakout, the yellow 100 line of CCI. This is the default parameter of CCI. We can see the previous 4 times all failed. Only the 5th time is the correct buy point. But if we change the parameter of CCI, then we can see only 1 buy point over here after getting price flight. 13 weeks with 720% profit. Why there is so big difference when using the default CCI and the institutional specific CCI? We know the default parameter for CCI is 14. Everybody knows this parameter, including the bankers or institutions. So they will use it to make some tricks to induce the retailers. Then the effects of the indicators won't be so good. That's why we need to change the parameters. Just now, we all verified the effect of CCI after changing parameter, right? So if you want to know the parameter of CCI I'm using just now, you can just leave a message in the comment zone. Okay, for today's lesson, and remember to subscribe my channel if you want to learn more technical training skills. See you next time. Bye.